Morning and welcome to Vlogtober day 27. We are just about to leave Halifax and we're going to take a pit stop at Ikea on our way home. So bring you into the store with me. I'm so tired. You can't really tell from looking at this, like, because we have it so well packed, but we are expert trunk packers. We bought a lot of stuff at Ikea and it all fits and we can still see out the back. So, feeling good. Hello, I am back at home following our drive from Halifax. I drove and Carly sat in the front seat and we DJ'd and we played every Taylor Swift album the whole way back, and the boys kind of hated us, but we think they're converts. I'm just kidding, they're totally not. They're like, that is the most I've ever listened to Taylor Swift in one sitting, and I don't want to do it again for a very long time. Update on the concert last night. My favorite, we were super close. We got there really early and we were able to hold our position. We were like 3 rows from the rail on the ground and it was awesome. At first I thought we were just gonna like stay up there for one song and then head to the back, because generally I like to have a little bit more space, but we were so close that like watching the front man was worth being a little bit more squished and not having as much room to dance. Like Max, his name is Max Kerman and he's the front man for the Arkells, and he is just like so incredible to watch perform. And so they do a lot of really cool things within their show and we decided to stay up at the front the whole time. It was awesome. Probably my favorite song that they did was 11:11, because I really just like love that one. It was a lot of fun. Everybody was having a really good time. Also, they did an acoustic version of Book Club, which is one of my favorite songs, and they brought the whole band up to like right where we were standing, because we were at like the edge of the like walkway. You know how there would be like a stage and then like a walkout. So we were like at the front of the walkout, and so they brought the whole band up to the front of the walkout to do an acoustic set of Book Club, and it was just like super amazing. It was so much fun. They did their kind of traditional encore with I Want to Dance with Somebody, which was awesome, and all in all it was just such a great concert. Afterwards we went to Economy Shoe Shop for a drink. I abstained. I stayed with my sober October and I tried to eat pretty healthy this weekend. I think I did a decent job and I still had a great time. So it was a lot of fun. My feet were so sore that I thought I was gonna die. Yeah, it was crazy. At the end of the show, we were going to see our friend Carly. Her brother was there, so we were gonna talk to him before we left, and Eric was like, I'll be right back, stay right here. And he went and he got a copy of the set list from one of the brass players, and he also got a pick from the show, so he's really excited about those. He just went to pick up our groceries. We ordered them before we left Halifax, and he's going to pick them up now at Superstore. Then we're gonna do some meal prep, get the house cleaned up. We have our Ikea haul. Other than that, it's gonna be a pretty chill night. We have like, it's like 6:30 now, I think. Yeah, it's exactly 6:30. So we have like 3 hours to get our life ready for the next week. So let's do this. All right, it's a little bit later. We did get a bunch of meal prep done and we watched some episodes of Brooklyn Nine-Nine and just kind of chilled because we had a really busy weekend. And now I'm about to go to bed. I was supposed to do yoga today, but honestly, I am so beat that it just wasn't gonna happen and I wasn't gonna be able to give the focus to it that it deserves. So instead, I'm going to bed early, getting lots of rest, and I'm gonna get up early tomorrow and hit my workout really hard then. All right, I'll see you then. Bye.